Now we're going to learn about the last topic of this course, loops. In this course, we're going to learn about the for loop. Loops are exactly what they sound like. You state a specific condition for which you want Python to keep looping through until it has been met. You can loop through a string, a range of numbers, and even a list using a for loop. We haven't learned about lists, so we're not going to worry about that. But we are going to learn about how to loop through strings and a range of numbers. So, this is the syntax for the for loop. For value in sequence body of the loop. In the syntax, the sequence can be a string, a list, or a range. The sequence is the thing that you want to loop through. The value is just the current number, character, or thing that is being looped through. The value is a variable of your choice. In the body, you write the command that you want to be carried out for the value. You could say print value, which would print every number in the range or every character in the string. You could even write other things in the body of the loop. Remember that even in loops, you need to put a colon after the first line of code and put an indentation before the body of the loop. If you forget to use a colon right after the sequence or an indentation right before the body of the loop, it will cause an error. An example is that I could say for x in fruit, print x. Here, fruit is a variable with a string stored in it, and x is the current character of the string fruit. In this example, Python is looping through each character in the string and printing each one out. One of the best ways to understand for loops is to see examples and do them yourselves. So, in the next few videos, I'm going to show you examples of looping through strings and a range of numbers. You're welcome to try these examples with the videos. Believe me, for loops will make more sense once you're done with the examples.